This is a furniture factory in Istanbul city. They produce wooden door, high quality wooden door. They are very expert on the wooden door system. They export to the Europe and they export to the United States. It's a very professional production line in Istanbul. It's a big, huge, professional wooden door factory. As you see in the machineries, all the machineries are professional and the Turkish, made in Turkish products. This is the Turanlar big machine, like this, and all CNC. They are produce wooden door, all wooden works, construction company, contractor, wooden door contractor. If you have any project, any wooden project in Turkey, you can send them for get the quotate like this. This is the land of the factory, like this. As you see, this is sea. Near the sea, it's a big, huge wooden factory. Only they are making professional wooden door for contractors.